Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making herbed grilled cheese, which has a little more flavor than regular grilled cheese. So for this recipe, I've taken 2 large slices of bread and I'm going to spread about 1 teaspoon of butter on each slice. So I've used salted butter, and be generous guys, this gives good flavor on toast. Now let's gently flip the bread slices, and I've taken about 1/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, and let's add the cheese on one of the slices. Now add about half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You can use whatever herbs you have at home. It can be oregano or basil or thyme. Why I chose Italian seasoning is because this has garlic flakes along with other herbs, which gives a good flavor for the grilled cheese. For spiciness, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's add 1/4 cup of grated cheddar cheese or processed cheese on top of the herbs. Now close the sandwich with other slice. Make sure that the buttered side faces the top. Gently press using a spatula and transfer onto a hot grill pan. Let's cook the grilled cheese on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese has started to melt and the bread has toasted to a golden brown color. Now flip the sandwich and continue to cook on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Be patient and cook only on low flame, otherwise the bread will burn. Once done, take out the sandwich from the pan. You will notice that the cheese is all melted and gooey, and the bread is nicely toasted and crispy in texture. Cut the sandwich in half and serve immediately with some fresh salad or tomato soup.